Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. This is part 5 of a series of videos where we go over the College Board Official Question Bank question analysis. Today, we will be solving a command of textual evidence, literary textual evidence question. Let's get started. The Rock and the Sea is an 1893 poem by Charlotte Perkins Gilman. In the poem, a rock is portrayed as intending to confront and restrain the sea. Which quotation from The Rock and the Sea most effectively illustrates the claim? Answer choice A, I am the rock, black midnight falls. The terrible breakers rise like walls, with curling lips and gleaming teeth. They plunge and tear at my bones beneath. Answer choice B, I am the sea. I hold the land, as one holds an apple in his hand. Hold it fast, with sleepless eyes, watching the continents sink and rise. Answer choice C, I am the rock, presumptuous sea. I am set to encounter thee, angry and loud or gentle and still. I am set here to limit thy power, and I will. Answer choice D, I am the sea. The earth I sway. Granite to me is potter's clay. Under the touch of my careless waves, it rises in turrets and sinks in capes. This is a literary textual evidence question. Previously, we solved scientific textual evidence questions. Now, with this type of question, we have also 4 steps to solve this question. The first step is to identify key power words. In this question, the key power word that we have is the word claim. Next, we read the short passage to interpret the key power word in question. The claim sentence is, a rock is portrayed as intending to confront and restrain the sea. Next, we summarize this claim sentence to make it shorter. Here, the summary phrase is, a rock confronts and restrains the sea. Now, before we move on, step number 3 is to identify literary evidence that would illustrate, support, complete, justify, or weaken that key power word. Notice that for literary textual evidence questions, we identify literary evidence as opposed to scientific evidence in our scientific textual evidence questions. So that's the only difference between scientific textual evidence and literary textual evidence questions. Step 4 is to choose the correct evidence in the answers. So here we have a poem. It may be a little difficult for some students to understand each and every word from the poem, and that is expected. That's absolutely fine. Yet what I advise students to do is to look for the words or the sentences or the phrases that you can actually understand and use that as your reference. And so for answer choice A, I only said that I am the rock, breakers plunge and tear at my bones. For answer choice B, I am the sea, I hold the land, watch continents sink and rise. Answer choice C, I am the rock, I will encounter you and limit your power. Answer choice D, I am the sea, I can sway the earth and control granite. Here's the summary phrase, and here's answer choice A. You can tell that there is no connection between breakers plunge and tear at my bones with the statement that says that the rock should confront and restrain the sea. So this is not the correct answer. With answer choice B, the sea is talking, and it states that I hold the land, watch continents sink and rise. Again, this is not referring to the rock confronting and restraining the sea. And again, this is not the correct answer. With answer choice C, it mentions that I am the rock, I will encounter you, and limit your power. This is, in fact, the correct answer. And the reason why it is the correct answer is because it mentions that this is the rock, and this rock will confront the sea. It will encounter the sea, and it also will limit the sea's power. And so it will restrain the sea. And so you can see that each part of the answer is reflected in the summary phrase entirely. With answer choice D, I am the sea, I can sway the earth and control granite. It's irrelevant to the summary phrase. So this is an incorrect answer. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.